Hello! In this video I want to demonstrate you an example which was taken from an exam. So here you see my makefile for the created source codes AA, BBB, DDD, EEE and FF. And those include like a really simple integer main function. And I just created the makefile based on this, and let me demonstrate you. So if I do make all, this is what is going to happen. So let me go all over it step by step. When I execute make all, it first goes to www, and here you see gcc-o, this is the target name, www, and all the dependencies, aa.o and bbb.o in this case. So what happens when the make sees this command first is that it realizes it doesn't have aa.o. So what it does, it goes to this command which basically says how to get object files from source codes for any of the source code basically. So it goes here and it executes, it creates the object file from the source code by executing this command. So currently we have the aa.o. It goes to bbb.o and it again says that it doesn't have this object file. So it goes to this target recipe and it creates the object file from the source code and now goes back to here, and now it is possible to create www because we have the object files. After we create the www, let me actually put this here. So we created aa.o, then bbb.o and www. We go to xxxx, but here before we actually can create this one, we need to have ddd.o. So we go to here, we create the object file from the source code of ddd.c. And after we have this object file, we can create xxxx as you see here. And here we pass -lrt. This means that we want to use the library called rt. Then we move to yyy, and before we can create this, again we need to have eee.o. So we use this recipe here, we create the object file from the source code once more. Then we can create yyy. But this time we use the library pthread. And here you can see we created eee.o, then we created the yyy. Yeah. And then the last thing we have is we need to create ff.o. We use this recipe again, and after we have ff.o, we can create zzz basically. And this time again we use library rt. I added this just to for testing purposes, and here I put all the steps and I've got some notes about the remarks. So this is how the makefile works, and I want to demonstrate you the command touch and remove. So touch command, when you use this one, it changes the modification time to the current time. And when you use rm, which means remove, it removes the file. So currently I have all those files in my folder. When I do remove, let's say eee.c, it is gonna remove this. So let me do so those are all the files that I have in my folder. If I do touch, let's say ff.c, you see here it's created at this time. When I list it again, now you will see that it changed the time to the current time. And if I do remove and list again, there is no such file and it's deleted. So this was my demonstration for part B.